This is English 7C for class 11 here at KIT Iizuka, June 26th. Okay, I'm going to switch over to my Moodle on my iPad, and it's a little bit easier to see from here. Okay, we don't have such a heavy workload to do today. We're going to be doing some shadowing. Let's see, and you have a vocabulary quiz and a reflection. So not a lot that you have to do, but let's take a look at what is actually on the list. So June 26th, here's the shadowing that we're going to be doing in a little bit. Anybody else hasn't signed yet? Everybody's okay? Good, okay. And because your walking video, your next walking video number 2, is going to be up next week, okay? It'll be assigned to you, oh, come on. Assigned to you next week. There it is, okay? And that will be due on, okay, walking video number 2 will be due on July 7th, so still a little bit of time. But to get you ready for that, I wanted to make sure that you knew a little bit more about the things that you have to do. So I made a video for you here on, where is it here? Oh, sorry, this is a long one. Okay, well, let's scroll up. Okay, June 26th. Oh, come on. There it is. Okay, so this video right here is about what I think you should think about to make a better walking video. Some of you still made a few mistakes. Some of you still made the number one mistake. You held your phone like it's a TikTok. It isn't TikTok. I want you to hold your phone properly, okay, so that it's like a TV or a computer. I want you to hold it so that it's horizontal. Make sure that you hold it a little bit higher than your eyes. Make sure that you have some space for gestures. Don't hold it down here. Don't hold it here. I'm pretty sure I saw some people trying to do this. They were trying to read notes down here. And don't worry, I can tell. And if you look at your grade, I graded you accordingly. I graded you down. Please use your natural English and pay attention to what is in this video to help you figure out how to improve your video. You have your vocabulary quiz number 5. As always, you have a bit of time to do that. And July 6th is the due date for that. Do that 3 times. Give me your best shot. Your reflection, however, is going to be due this Friday at 11 p.m. So nothing too spectacular. Now, one thing I want to tell you about next week, okay, which is July 3rd. Next week, we're going to be doing your partner name and student submission. It's basically the same thing that we did for the midterm test. We'll do that for the final test. So please make sure that you come. If you have any friends that you know that don't come to class very often, tell them next week is very important. We have to do our partner name and student submission. Tell them, try to come yourself because it's going to be a very important class. Okay, I think that was all I wanted to tell you. Oh, and as I said, your walking video is up next week. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can come and talk to me here before or after class. So let's go and have a good class, everyone.